Welcome back folks to part 2 of our video, troubleshooting a stiebel eltron tankless water heater. So we brought the unit to our lab to do further checks on it. Currently we are removing the flow sensor to check that it rotates properly. Now we are going to blow air into the flow sensor to hear if it spins properly. We are not hearing the turbine accelerating inside, so this flow sensor is bad and needs to replace. We got our new replacement flow sensor. Now we will demonstrate what sound it makes when you blow air into it. Like, share and follow for part 3.